How to create an account in the Fliki app on iPhone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create an account in the Fliki app fast, easy and hassle-free. If you haven't downloaded it yet, hit the App Store and search Fliki app and tap Get. Once installed, go ahead and launch the app. On the welcome screen, you will see options: sign in with Apple, sign in with Google, sign in with email. Choose whichever you would like. I will choose sign in with email. Tap on it. Now enter your email. Once you enter your email, tap next. Now tap send verify code. Once you send the verification code, you will be getting code on your email. Simply open your email and copy the code from here and enter it here. Paste it and tap verify. Now enter your name, the name you would like on your Fliki app, and now enter your new password. Once you enter your name and password, tap on finish. And that's it. You can now start exploring Fliki's dashboard, create your first AI voiceover and more. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.